Welcome back everyone. You might be in a situation where your PUBG keeps running into some server issues. Now this could be one of the cases that you run into where it says server did not respond, please yada yada yada. And if you're seeing this, there's two potential reasons why this could be happening. Now there's probably more, but the two main ones are either your app was in the middle of an update and you just randomly went on it, or it's updating in the background, or your connection errors. Now I'll go ahead and show you to fix that specific update error that you might be having. So what you want to do is you want to go into either your Android Play Store or your iPhone settings, whichever one. You want to either on your Play Store hit that settings icon, or on your iPhone go to the iCloud settings, go to your Play Store, and you want to disable automatic app updates. Now you can do the same thing on your Play Store, disable the automatic app updates, and this will make it so your apps do not randomly update while you're using the app. Now Apple has done a pretty good job of making sure that doesn't happen while you're using the app, but sometimes you never know, this could be one of the issues. So go ahead and keep it enabled for the time being, but again, if you are running into this issue, you want to keep this specific icon disabled. Now, if that doesn't fix your issue, you're probably running into a connectivity problem, and this means that your Wi-Fi, your cellular, whatever, is being interrupted while you're on that game. So what you want to do, if you're on a road trip, if you're in a car and it's moving and stuff like that, connections go in and out and they can be spotty. So you want to make sure you have a reliable connected network for the whole entire duration of that game. And a way to actually check this is to go on your internet browser and load up a web page, go to YouTube, go watch a video or something like that, and see you have a good reliable network. If you do, then you should be good. If you don't, then this could be the issue. You probably don't have a good reliable network which allows you to play the game, and you're basically being disconnected from the server. Now if that still doesn't fix it and you do have a good reliable network, what you might want to do is you want to reset the network settings. So in order to do this, you want to go into your settings on either your Android or iOS device. You want to go over to the reset section. So as you can see, I went into general, then I scroll down into reset, which is right here, and you'll see an option that says reset network settings, which this means it'll basically delete all the storage that it has saved for your network connections, and this will make it so all your passwords are deleted from your Wi-Fi's and stuff. So you will have to probably type those back in, which is not that big of a deal. But you want to go ahead and hit that and then reset the network settings. And this will make it so all your network connections are a lot more on point in a way. So you'll run into less server issues at the end of the day. And at this point, you can go and open up PUBG and see what happens there. And hopefully you don't run into any more issues after that. So that's really pretty much the process. If you guys run into any other problems or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys get that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.